Vanilla syrup. What really goes in there? Who knows? What if I tell you that you can make your own homemade vanilla syrup? You can cut your cost by at least half. You know what goes in there, and who knows, it might even taste better. Stick around until the end of this clip and you are going to learn how to make easy homemade vanilla syrup. Welcome and thank you for joining me. In a previous video clip, I have shown you how to make simple vanilla syrup using vanilla bean. This time, I'm going to make it even easier for all of you. We are going to use simple vanilla extract, which is easily available. Only 3 ingredients. Sugar, white granulated sugar is better because it has a longer shelf life. We're going to use water, and for this one, I am going to use pure vanilla extract. Some of you might be asking, can you use an artificial vanilla flavor? The answer to that is yes, you can, but you might need to use more of those vanilla flavor than using pure vanilla extract. You might have to just triple the proportion that you might use for this vanilla syrup recipe. A full bottle of, say, Monin, Tarani, or Da Vinci syrup is about 700 to 750 milliliters. So this time I'm going to make half that proportion, and you can multiply as many times as you like. We need a saucepan and of course a stove top. The process is as simple as the ones that I have already shown you in all my other sugar syrup recipes. Get your saucepan and into it put half the sugar, turn on the heat, and wait for the sugar to caramelize. The purpose of this is so that we get a golden brown sugar syrup. As the sugar starts to caramelize, do not stir the mixture. Now that the color is what I'm looking for, I'm going to add water. Now be careful at this point because it could sizzle. Bring the water to a boil and then add the rest of your sugar. Let the sugar dissolve by itself and bring it to a boil one more time. Now just before turning off the heat, add your vanilla extract. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Now I have my homemade vanilla syrup here. It is already cooled down. Now as you lift the lid, be careful that you don't let the water or the steam from the lid get into your syrup. You don't really want the steam from the lid to mix with your sugar syrup or your vanilla syrup in this case. Now I'm going to be cheeky here and I'm going to use a Monin bottle just so that we can compare it with an actual Monin vanilla syrup here. I am only going to show you how to make this vanilla syrup, but we are not going to compare the taste until the next video clip, so you have to keep watching and keep looking out for this channel. So for the proportion that I used, it came up to about 2/3 of the Monin bottle. So I would say it's about 400 milliliters yield for this one. So there you go, homemade vanilla syrup the Chao way. Now look at the color. The color of my syrup is darker than that of Monin. I have done a quick costing here, comparing the total costs of my ingredients and the prices of premium commercial syrups in the market. I made a 55% cost savings. Not bad, especially during times when there might be a supply shortage. Is it worth the extra work? Let's find out whether the taste is better in the next video clip. We are going to do a taste test comparing Monin vanilla syrup versus homemade vanilla syrup for latte and also for matcha green tea. In the meantime, if you have any questions, do let me know, comment below. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.